So this is my Superforce training course, and I'm just going to show you quickly a drag and drop onto image Moodle quiz question type that might be useful given the current situation and we're having to rewrite some of our assessments. So if I come up to this top right cog, go to More, and then scroll down to Questions. I'm going to put it in the Training Questions category, create a new question, drag and drop onto image. That's just for my own reference in the future. In this field, instructions for students. You can change this. I'm going to leave it at 1 at the moment. You can also change it in quiz settings as well. And then I'm going to choose my background image where I want students to put markers. So one called Isthmus there. Moodle automatically resizes it to something that it can work with. Draggable items. I'm going to tick that, shuffle drag items each time a question is attempted, because if you allow students several attempts, you want to add to the challenge. It's default at draggable image, which I haven't used, but you could easily use it. Maybe for stoichiometrical equations or something like that. Draggable text I'm going to go for. Winch. Draggable text again. Solar panel. And another draggable text. Main sheet. So I've got 3 labels there ready to go on my image. You can have as many as you like. And drop zones. And this is where I tell Moodle the labels that I want. So I've got 1, 2 is solar panel, 3 is main sheet. Don't forget, I did set it so that they could be mixed up. At the moment, got no coordinates. I'm not quite sure what this text column here is for, but I leave it blank. If I go back up to my image, you will see I've got my text here. So I've got main sheet, solar panel, and winch. So that's just telling Moodle where I want labels to be able to go. And notice they are different lengths. When I come back down here, I've got the coordinates for those labels to go into. Multiple tries, I don't know if you ever use that. I tend to set that at 0, but if you set your quiz up for revision purpose with interactive with multiple tries, it means they don't get penalised for each time they have a go. So they can feel better about themselves. If I save changes and continue editing, look at the preview, you can see the boxes are all now the same size. And I can have a go, use the check, that's okay, close the preview. So I can be happy with that. And you can imagine you could have an anatomical image there, you could have a piece of equipment that you want students to label, you could have an equation that you set up as an image and blank out where you want the labels to be. You can be quite creative with this kind of question. Now that's it.